Good evening, friends. Welcome to Career Connect IIMS, Institute of Advanced Medical Studies. We all are so pleased having Sapna Mittal with us, securing 1438, and her score is 835. So welcome, Sapna ji, and we are also happy to see you achieved your dream so successfully with this great score. So, Madam, can you brief about your success in NEET 2020?
Getting your score in NEET 2020 depends only on your hard work and your concepts. It is more dependent on how many number of revisions you do. So I will suggest that people should go for more number of revisions instead of running behind more amount of content.
Alright, great, wonderful. So, what important point you noticed during your preparation?
During the preparation, ups and downs do come. Sometimes you feel you are not able to follow your schedule and you lag behind others, you lag behind yourself. But it is important to maintain your confidence and to continue studying. Even if you read 1 or 2 hours per day, it is okay, but you should keep reading. You should not stop and you should not give up. Towards the end of the preparation, there comes lots of ups and downs. You feel very upset, you get nervous, but it happens with everyone. So just the key is just to keep going and keep revising.
Alright, great. So, what do you say to your junior? How they prepare for their next PGME exam?
I would just say that whatever source you follow, just take, it is more important that you get a more number of revisions. So, it is always important that you go for any face-to-face class so that you have some brief notes so that you can revise it many number of times. 3 to 4 revisions is very good number, but if you go for very large content, you will not able to revise it, and you feel that you will remember it in the long run, but you tend to forget. When you have all the 19 subjects to cover in a single year, you tend to forget what you had read in March, April, or suppose June, July also. So it is very important that you can revise your notes in the last 1 month. So the brief notes are very important.
Yes. One more question. Okay, now there is a confusion of NEET and NET. So how your juniors can prepare or start their next exams, because it will come any time.
But the basic approach of studying will not change, because next will also target on the concepts of the students. So those who have studied well and those who read well, they will not have any problem because of the pattern of the exam.
According to you, which subject are more focusing?
All the subjects are important. You cannot neglect any subject. But if next comes and if it is more clinical, as everyone is saying, then the more importance of final year subjects will come.
Alright. Can you also guide students how CCIMS can help them for achieving their dream branch college?
The best thing about CCIMS is it is giving both the online platform and class-to-class approach simultaneously. So because of your internship or any other thing, if you are not able to attend the class, you can go for the online resource tool. So it will be a beneficial.
Okay. What is the best thing about CCIMS? Only one thing you can say that will be helpful to achieving your score.
Gives the content in a brief and to the point manner.
Alright. Right. Yeah, Dr. Sapna ji, what do you prefer, students? Okay, what they do? They do online or face-to-face classes? According to you, what is the good for them?
Face-to-face classes are always better than online classes. You can use the online class as a supplement to the face-to-face class, but it cannot ever substitute it. And the more you learn in the classroom, the voice of the teacher and the things they explain in the classroom, and when you write the notes in the environment of the classroom, it is very, very important as compared to the you sit in your room alone and listen to someone in any video. So it is always better that you learn in a class.
When next is coming, so only final prose subject are going to be undertaken in the exam. So what do you feel? Okay, only doing this subject can achieve good rank?
No, because final year subjects, we don't read the final year subjects from the first prof itself. There is a reason behind it, because all the subjects of the first year, second year, third year, they all form a pyramid. Until you read the basic subjects, you cannot answer any question in medicine or surgery. So it is very important that you read your first year, second year and third year very thoroughly, so that you even if you don't know any concept in medicine or physiology, medicine or surgery, you will be able to guess the answers based on your basic subjects. And also, as the next is coming, it is said that it may be a year earlier after the final year exam, so that so students should target preparing for their exam a year earlier, maybe in second year, so that they have the time to cover up. They won't have the time of internship for the exam.
That means it is very important to cover all subjects up to third first also.
Yes, very important.
Anything else you want to say?
I would just say that keep revising. Everyone says that, and it is very important. No one can negate it. It is very important. Revision is only the key to the score.
So, thank you so much, Dr. Sapna, for your valuable feedback and valuable guide for the students. Thank you so much.